Guys, we installed the most beautiful, affordable bathroom in this double-storey extension, and I can't wait to reveal it to you later in this video. But first, I have some interior design advice to share with you if you're renovating a bathroom in your home soon, because there are a host of bathroom design mistakes you need to avoid that will be expensive to fix or could massively jeopardise your design. I've said this before, bathrooms are hard and technical to design. You need to get your layout spot on, maximise your storage, use the right materials suitable for high humidity and water-prone zones, and prevent any water damage to the rest of your property. I've got so many tips for you today, so let's get stuck in. Hi guys, I'm Fee, I'm an interior designer, and if you're new here, I post videos every single week showing you how to renovate your dream home confidently and affordably. We talk about the mistakes to avoid, how to save money on your renovation, and all the nitty-gritty details that will make your design perfect. So click the subscribe button if you're doing any home improvements and you'd like some free support. And keep watching until the end of this video because I want to show you a super affordable material that we stored in my client's bathroom I just mentioned. It brought the costs right down in the project and created a really unique look, and I think you're going to like it. Okay, the first bathroom design mistake you need to avoid is cramming your layout. If your bathroom is small, it can be tempting to think that you can get away with a freestanding bath and a separate shower, but not leaving enough distance around items compromises your whole investment. And make sure you leave 200 ml of elbow space either side of your toilet to ensure comfort and accessibility. You really don't want the room to feel even smaller and be a squeeze to move around in. Another bathroom design mistake that you need to avoid is skipping the planning phase completely or leaving decisions up to your builder. Without a clear brief that includes a bathroom floor plan, the type of taps and fittings you want to install, your electrics and any partition walls that you need adding, without these details, you could realise the design ideas that you want to achieve are completely unachievable or unaffordable halfway through the project. And you end up faced with lots of compromises because the design wasn't thought through initially. Builders and plumbers all have their standard go-to fixtures and fittings, but there's nothing that puts the fear into me more than when I hear they're nipping down screw fix something that's on show. When I hear them say that, I'm just like, not to be unkind, but not all of them have a design eye, and this is your home and your vision, so define what you want and stick to it. Okay, I hate to break this to you, but the next bathroom design mistake can really cheapen the look of your bathroom design nowadays. It's when you see silver or gold tile trim. Similarly, retrofitting tile trim after the tiles have been positioned on the wall, that's even worse, and it just never ends up sitting flush. Don't let your tiler get away with that. Your tile trim needs to blend in seamlessly with your design to cover exposed tile edges, so plan your tile trims in advance and try to choose a colour that's either close to the tile colour or white or matte black for a really high-end finish. Then there's choosing the wrong LED lighting strips. So if you like the look of a recessed flush bathroom light, they'll really set the mood and enhance your whole tiles or shower niches beautifully. But not all LED strip lights are created equal. Avoid the ones that have visible spots of light along its tape, as these can often bring a really broken and uneven glow, which will cheapen the overall look of your bathroom lighting. And instead choose a continuous LED strip light to provide a smooth, consistent illumination. On the topic of lighting, another big bathroom design mistake to avoid is installing cool light bulbs instead of warm light bulbs. Honestly, cool lighting just makes bathrooms feel sterile and quite unwelcoming, and it brings out any blue or grey tones within your tile or colour choices. So instead, check that all lights that you're fitting are 2700 Kelvin. The warmth of this light will create a really cosy and spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom. And if you want a more daylight look for shaving or eyebrow tweezing, go for a 4000 Kelvin mirror light and apply this to task lighting only. Another mistake you'll need to avoid is installing the incorrect IP rating for your bathroom lights. You need to ensure that all of your bathroom light fittings comply with the level of humidity and zone that is being placed. I'll pop a handy doodle on screen now and link it below. I recommend Roper Rhodes, Corsten, Pookie and the Wall Lighting Company are all lighting suppliers that I really love and use in client projects here in the UK. I'll also leave links in the description down below, as well as some options if you're based in the States. Another big bathroom design mistake is not choosing suitable or grippy enough floor tiles in wet room showers. Wet room floor tiles need to have a slip rating of R11 or higher to prevent any accidents, and just so that you can stride around your bathroom in confidence and comfort. And keep in mind that some tiles aren't actually designed to handle standing water in wet rooms, so always check with your supplier first. Guys, if you're sick to death living with your small bathroom, you're staring at those dated tiles with a cramped layout and mouldy silicone peeling off around your bath, but you have no idea where to start, I just wanted to give you a heads up about the bathroom design pack that I've made available for you to take all the decisions out of your project and have an interior designer choose things for you, but it's a fraction of the cost and no waiting for the designs. The design pack contains a full design for your bathroom, including the affordable tile options I recommend, colour schemes, flooring options, vanity units, sanitary ware, styling, and more, with my design notes written for you, telling you exactly how to apply everything to your bathroom, which products, which sizes to purchase, saving you a ton of time. And if your bathroom renovation is part of a wider full house renovation, I have design packs for every room and online courses with step-by-step guidance to stop your renovation costs spiralling and manage your full project with confidence. So click the link in the description to remove all your bathroom renovation decisions and get your hands on a design pack today. This next bathroom design mistake is a tough one, but it really will make or break your whole bathroom design. And it's when you choose a tiler that's just not experienced in the job. If they cut corners, pardon the pun, or don't plan the job very well, you can really notice it, and poor workmanship can lead to uneven joints, water pooling, and cause mold growth later on, or even lips between the tiles. And the same goes for applying silicone. It needs to be done well, or done again if it's not straight with an even thickness. And if you notice any mistakes, your tiler will need to redo the work, which becomes costly and time consuming. So always choose a skilled professional who is an expert at tiling, and really study photos of their tiling in great detail before you hire them. This next bathroom design mistake is choosing a bath that's made of thin acrylic, especially if it's fitted to the wall or used daily as a shower bath. If it's made from a cheap thin acrylic, then it won't be strong enough to withstand movement stepping in and out of the bath, and it's just going to cause grout and silicone to crack, eventually causing leaks. So you need a strong bath that's going to be fitted exceptionally well to the wall. I always choose a 12mm thick reinforced acrylic bath like the Caronite options, I'll link down below. They're much stronger, great quality, and they shouldn't cause movement if they're installed correctly. Another bathroom design mistake is not installing dual fuel towel radiators with an isolated control in summer months. It means you'll only be able to dry your towels when the central heating's on, which is impractical in spring or summer. So install a towel radiator that's operable alongside your central heating system in winter months, and operable via electrics with an isolated control in summer months, and that'll make sure your towels are dry and fluffy all year round without having to heat the whole house. A pet hate of mine is this next bathroom design mistake, and it's when your whole bathroom floor is drenched every time someone showers. Two possibilities why this happens. First, the drain should always be positioned directly under the shower head to aid water drainage. Your floor tiles or the shower tray are going to be on an unnoticeable to the naked eye angle to direct the water flow in towards the drain. So if your drain is positioned where you enter or exit the shower, you can bet your whole floor is going to get drenched. Secondly, if you're planning a low profile shower tray or a wet room shower, think about how water will spray. Enclosed showers with doors are the best way to contain water, but if you prefer an open design, a rainfall shower head that sprays straight down could be your best bet rather than using an angled shower head that sprays water towards you and the shower opening. Guys, I could probably spend another hour talking to you about bathroom design mistakes, but I know you're busy, you've got a bathroom renovation to plan. Plus, I promised you I'd show you this affordable bathroom we designed for a client's ensuite. They had a super tight budget and needed the bathroom to be cohesive to the master bedroom, complementing its warm autumnal colour palette. And to keep costs down, we installed tongue and groove easy panel instead of tile around the bath and painted it the same colour used in the bedroom for continuity and flow. I definitely recommend looking at panelling options to bring depth to your bathroom design and position it in non-splash areas in your bathroom for a more affordable material than tiles. I'll leave links to panelling options in the description box below. Bathrooms are so hard to plan. If you're feeling alone and overwhelmed, I've totally been there, and I've been on the brink of tears at least once. And it's why I feel so passionate about helping you to avoid that same pain. So definitely check out the links in the description box below for ways to speed up your own project, prevent mistakes, and confidently select your design finishes. I've left links to our online course and community, as well as my bathroom design pack below as well, so take a look there for more support. I hope this video helps you avoid some annoying, costly bathroom mistakes. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try any of the tips that I've mentioned today. I love hearing from you and supporting you wherever I can. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another design chat. Bye guys!